Yan, tight yung ano niya. So, papabigat lang ako. Papabigat lang. Oh, maganda yung stance. Okay? So, from here, you can just extrude my hands here. And then try to grab the ankle. Okay? Pero kung hindi pa yung ankle, sa calf muna. And then, pag nag-grab mo na, pwede ka na mag yan. Okay? Mas maganda guys if your hips are close to your opponent's hips. Okay? Hindi pwedeng malayo ka dito. Hindi pwedeng malayo ka dito. Walang mangyayari. Sinasabi ko siya, walang mangyayari dito. If you are here, much better na closer ka sa hips niya. Okay? Okay? And then, pinch your legs. Grab the ankle. Dito yung leverage nyo guys. Sa ankle. Okay? And then you can slowly hips up. Tap ka na. Slowly hips up. O medyo, kung mag-tap ka. Kung medyo masakit, itap. Okay? Sige. So yan.
Yan, ganun lang ha. Okay.